Have you ever broken a promise that you made to yourself? Like, मैं कल से जिम जाऊंगी but then you didn't go. मैं कल से chips नहीं खाऊंगी but then you had the entire packet of chips. And then when you go against your promise, there's a lot of shame that comes in you, and then a part of you feels like, why even bother? क्या ही ज़रूरत है जब कुछ करने ही नहीं वाली हूँ तो कोशिश भी क्यों करूँ? If yes, then I'm here to tell you you're not alone. We all have some slip-ups, and it's okay to have those, but what's more important is how well you bounce back. Welcome to the episode 4 of our Healing for Health series, in which we are talking about the emotional aspect of getting healthy, what all are the things that can go bad. And if you're new here, in this series, we have spoken about emotional eating, discipline, and the courage to start and stay consistent. And in this video, we are going to talk about this shame spiral that we go into whenever we break the promises that we make to ourselves, and exactly how we can reset after a slip up. I would love for you to join us in our journey if you feel like it resonates with you. Shame actually is one of the most powerful emotions that we have, because जब हम shame feel करते हैं, it's not only about feeling bad for what happened, but most times we feel that we are the problem. And because of this, it becomes very easy to be trapped in a cycle of avoidance. Because think about it, आपने सोचा था कि आप वर्कआउट के लिए रोज जाओगे, आप हेल्दी खाना खाओगे, but the moment you eat something bad, rather than getting into the mindset of ये क्यों हो गया, क्या मेरे पास कोई हेल्दी ऑप्शन अवेलेबल था या नहीं, बिकॉज अगर एक हेल्दी ऑप्शन अवेलेबल नहीं था तो ऑब्वियसली वो सेल्फ कंट्रोल करना बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो जाएगा, बिकॉज आपको भूख लगी है और सामने कुछ अनहेल्दी ही पड़ा है. उसका सोल्यूशन ये हो सकता है दैट नेक्स्ट टाइम वी बी बेटर प्रिपेयर्ड विद हेल्दियर ऑप्शंस इन आवर किचन और आवर फ्रिज. बट इस मेंटल वर्क में पढ़ने की जगह what we end up doing is we don't even address the problem, and instead we think एक बार गलती हो गई तो क्या हो गया, दोबारा से कर लेते हैं. अब तो मंडे ट्यूसडे का डाइट खराब हो ही चुका है तो नेक्स्ट वीक से स्टार्ट करेंगे. एंड दिस अवॉइडेंस टू एड्रेस द मेन इशू actually makes us repeat our behaviors, and then the cycle of guilt, shame and doing bad things continue. बट सच्चाई ये है कि जब कोई गड़बड़ हो जाती है उस टाइम पर, rather than feeling shameful about yourself, what you need is to reframe your thinking, because shame anyway is not resolving anything. Psychologist Carol Dweck said that it's all about seeing challenges and failures as opportunity to learn and grow. So rather than saying कि मैंने गुलाब जामुन ऑर्डर कर लिया because मेरे अंदर विल पावर ही नहीं है, you can say that I had a slip up and that's okay. Why it happened? Because I was emotionally overwhelmed, and addressing the deeper issue that was going on. And this growth mindset, which will make you see not the slip up, but addressing that you are a human being and you're allowed to slip up sometimes. If you rectify the mistake, next time a similar chance comes. So yes, it's not about a perfect diet or perfection. It's about progress. So when you miss a workout, ask yourself why. Is it because you were too tired, or because you did not plan your time really well, or there is genuinely something very bad going on in life because of which you genuinely did not have time today, but maybe you might have some time tomorrow. Or in a lot of cases, your perfection mindset might also be coming in between, because you think that a good workout is only the one where you dedicate 1 hour, where you are going to the gym, you're lifting weights, but sometimes only 15 minutes is what you have. Understand what exactly triggered it. Were you bored? Were you stressed? Or there is something else going on? By identifying कि ये क्यों हुआ, you can prevent the same situation when it comes in the future. और जैसे ही आपको समझ में आ जाए कि ये चीज़ क्यों हुई, it's very easy to forgive yourself, reset and move on to the next opportunity. Here are 3 things that always help my clients also after a slip up, so that they reset very quickly. Think of yourself as your best friend. जिस तरीके से आप अपने आप से बात कर रहे हो, would you ever talk to your friend like that? No, right? You would always be compassionate. You will always give them a second chance. You will always encourage them to rectify the mistake whatever they have done in their life. So rather than saying मेरा discipline खराब है, मेरी will power खराब है, मुझसे कुछ हो ही नहीं पाएगा, you can say I messed up and tomorrow I'm going to do better. Because सच्चाई यही है, we allow all of the people around us to grow and thrive, but we are so critical of ourselves कि जब भी हम कुछ गलती कर देते हैं, we think that the world is going to crumble. But as we discussed in our Girl Boss Wellness Retreat also, world will not stop winning if your shoulders feel light. And once you have forgiven yourself, then comes the second part, which is focusing on the next step. Yes, अगर आप सारी चीज़ें एकदम से फिक्स करने चलोगे, शायद वो नहीं हो पाएगा. But you can pick up one habit per day or one habit per week, whatever is comfortable for you, and then focus on that one habit. Because even if you are fixing one bad habit per week, by the end of the year, you would have 52 new habits or 52 broken bad habits. So yes, maybe आज workout miss हो गया है, but do you have 15 minutes? Can you go out for a walk? कैन यू डू अ लिटिल समथिंग टू स्ट्रेच योर बॉडी? पास में जो भी मिस्टेक हो गई उसके बारे में आप जितना बात करते जाओ वो कम ही रहेगा और उससे कभी कोई रिजल्ट नहीं निकलने वाला है. बट द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट फोकसिंग ऑन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, you can actually move ahead and make progress. Next step would be to find out one thing which can help you get a restart. It could be journaling, it could be meditation, it could be just a mini workout that you do to just feel good about yourself, or it could be taking a 15-minute nap. Anything that works for you, which will get you out of the shame cycle and give you a sense of fresh start, would work here. Because ultimately the idea is that we want to keep moving forward rather than keep beating ourselves up for the past mistakes that we have done. Because the truth is that if you want to be consistent in any habit that you have, perfection को follow करके तो वो कभी भी नहीं आने वाला है. Yes, you need resilience, and resilience means flexibility, and flexibility would be to not be okay and still be okay about it. So yes, your slip-ups do not define you. How you respond to them does. And shame is never going to be the solution. By understanding this shame spiral, by having a growth mindset, by practicing self-forgiveness and focusing on the next step, you can actually make some progress and be consistent in your health journey also. And by the time you actually end the year, you might be a different person altogether. Next week, we will be talking about a very deep topic, which is overcoming emotional trauma to actually build true discipline. So yes, if you want to overcome emotional eating or you want to create a discipline, then you can watch these two videos, but make sure that you're coming back for the next video by pressing the subscribe button. And also, please let me know in the comments, what do you do when you have a slip up? How do you reset? Or if you have a shame spiral, how does it look like? Sharing it will not only make it easier for you to deal with it, but also it might give somebody else some courage to deal with their issues. Let's make a happy community who is healing for health. What? सारे खाऊंगे थोड़ी वीडियो बनाने के लिए.